Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dreamer D53 campervan, a mobile home that's redefining the road trip experience in Europe and beyond. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time van lifer, the D53 promises not just a way to travel, but a lifestyle that's comfortable, connected, and incredibly capable from the outside. The Dreamer D53 looks sleek and modern, built on the Peugeot Boxer base. It has a practical yet stylish body that balances utility with a hint of elegance. Its streamlined profile is enhanced by a clean white finish and subtle black detailing, giving it a contemporary look that stands out without screaming for attention. The roof is slightly raised, creating extra headroom inside while maintaining a relatively low center of gravity for improved driving dynamics. Large side windows offer generous light into the living area, while tinted privacy glass helps maintain interior temperature and personal space. An electric sliding door, alloy wheels, and integrated awning make this van feel more like a luxury suite on wheels than just a mobile shelter. The overall build feels robust, well-insulated, and ready for all seasons. Step inside, and the Dreamer D53 impresses immediately with its thoughtful, space-optimized interior. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile apartment. The living space is bright, airy, and designed for comfort during extended travels. A clever layout makes great use of the available space, offering a front lounge with swivel cab seats that create a relaxing social area. A fold-away dining table sits in the center, perfect for meals or remote work. Behind it, there's a full kitchenette equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, a sink with a mixer tap, a large fridge freezer, and plenty of storage cabinets. Every surface feels well finished, with quality materials and soft touch elements that make life on the road feel upscale. The rear of the van features a fixed double bed with a high-density mattress, underbed storage, and reading lights. There's also a compact but fully functional wet bath, including a toilet, shower, and sink, a true luxury for this class of camper. The ambient lighting, blackout blinds, and USB ports throughout the cabin make it feel more like a boutique hotel than a vehicle. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Dreamer D53 doesn't compromise. Under the hood, it's powered by a 2.2-liter Bluetooth diesel engine, producing around 140 horsepower. It's paired with a smooth 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission. Depending on your configuration, the drive is impressively stable, even at highway speeds, thanks to improved suspension tuning and electronic driver aids like Hill Start Assist, lane departure warning, and rear-view camera assistance. Despite its size, maneuvering the D53 is surprisingly easy. Whether you're in a parking lot or navigating narrow mountain roads, fuel efficiency is decent for a camper of this size, averaging around 28 to 30 miles per gallon, depending on the load and terrain. With a fuel tank capacity of 90 liters, it allows for long stretches between refueling stops, ideal for extended journeys. Pricing for the 2025 Dreamer D53 starts around €65,000, making it competitively priced within the mid-range camper market. With optional extras like solar panels, lithium battery upgrades, and enhanced insulation, the price can go up to around €75,000. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.